بدي واحد يحكي لي عن ايش حكينا المره الماضيه. What is who can
I
tell me
know.
about يعني our class, the last class.
I'll
Yusuf.
tell you the igneous rock. It is so basically the
About igneous rocks.
underground with very high pressure and very hot temperatures. There's molten rock or magma. When it erupts from a volcano, after a certain amount of time, it will cool down and it turns into igneous rock.
Good, good. Thank you عمر. بس أنا قلت لك خلينا بس إنه no one please no one answer my question without taking my permission. دائما ناخذ الإذن قبل. طيب أنا بالنسبة الاتندنت ان شاء الله برد نهايه الحصه، برد او اعمل تشيك للحضور والغير. خلينا نبلش. بسم الله. Again. Thank you عمر for explanation. Thank you. طيب بسم الله. In the last class we were talking about rocks and we say that rocks are classified or sorted into 3 types. Rocks are classified or sorted into 3 types based, or scientists classify them according to how they form. كيف بتكونوا؟ يعني أنا الآن قاعد بعمل مراجعة بسيطة لحصة امبارح. إيش حكينا؟ المين ايدياز، الشغلات اللي حكيناها بحاول ألخص فيها الشغلات اللي حكيناها المرة الماضية. Again, in the last class or yesterday, we were talking about the types of rocks. We said that rocks are classified into 3 types according or based on how they form. There are 3 types of rocks: igneous rocks، واسمهم يعني الصخور النارية، هيك معناها بالعربي igneous rocks. 2 sedimentary rocks، اوكي، او اسمهم الصخور الرسوبية. 3 metamorphic rocks أو الصخور المتحولة. Yesterday we learned about, or we explained these 2 types. Today we will talk about metamorphic rocks. طيب. The first type of rocks, which is the igneous rocks, the first type, simply يا شباب بس بدي اياكم understand that igneous rocks form when magma or lava cools. بس هيك بتكون. How they form? Igneous rocks form when magma or lava cools. What is magma or lava? They are, magma or lava are molten rocks. Molten rocks, because underground there is a lot of temperature and pressure. These rocks melt or become liquid, بنصهروا. Then the molten rocks under the ground are called magma. When the magma reaches the air surface, it's called lava. When magma or lava cools, they form igneous rocks. طيب نشوف مين عنده سؤال، مين اللي رافع. جواد ايش بدك تحكي؟ تفضل.
آسف يا أستاذ لأنه تأخرت لأن النت فصل عندي.
Don't worry. طيب. عبد الرحمن ايش بدك تحكي؟
أستاذ أنا مش رافع إيدي.
ما انت انا شفت انك رافع ايدك. طيب مش مشكلة. ملك بدك اشي؟ ملك, do you have any question? طيب تفضل.
Teacher, I didn't understand because now I get in the internet wasn't good, so now I enter the class.
طيب don't worry. ناتالي تفضل.
Teacher, can I ask you a question?
تفضلي of course you can.
Why this new rock we're talking about? It's like metamorphic rock.
يعني
Like, what is it made of?
طيب ناتالي we didn't talk about metamorphic rocks now till now ما حكينا عنه راح حكينا today. So wait راح اشرح I will explain everything. طيب okay. So again for students who came late I am now summarizing or repeating the last class. In the previous lesson yesterday we were talking about rocks, the 3 types of rocks. And as you know that rocks are classified into 3 types based on how they form. We have 3 types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. These rocks are different from each other because they form in different way. The first type of rocks is called igneous. The first type of rocks is called igneous rocks. It forms, sorry, when magma or lava cools. What is magma? It is molten rocks. They under the ground, molten rocks under the ground are called magma. When the molten rocks or magma reaches the earth's surface, it is called lava. When magma or lava, both of them cool, they form a new rocks called igneous rocks. Right. Look here, please. So when lava or magma cools, igneous rock forms. This is the simply how igneous rocks form. Okay. طيب. Again, magma heats up below or inside or under Earth's crust or Earth's surface because of heat and pressure. Under heat and pressure, it can break through Earth's surface as lava. So lava and magma are the same, but magma is inside or below Earth's crust, while the lava, it is above Earth's surface. The second type of rocks is called sedimentary rocks. Okay, by its name, sedimentary, look, sedimentary rocks, okay, they form from sediments. Okay, they form from sediments. What are sediments? Are very small or fine particles. Okay, very, very fine or small particles of sand. These sediments, when they stuck together, okay, stuck together, and they stuck together over time or a very long period of time, thousands of years, and they form the sedimentary rocks. الآن let me show you what are sediments. بجوز في منكم كثير مش قادر يفهم شو يعني sediments. دورجيكم شو يعني sediments من النت. Wait a minute please. Just wait a minute. Can you these are sediments. شايفينها؟ شفتوها؟ Can you see it? طلعت عندكم؟ طيب, can you see these are sediments? These are sediments also. Look. These are sediments. طيب, okay. When the sedimentary rock forms from particles in the environment, these particles are called sediment. طيب, what happens to the particles or to the sediment? They settle to form layers. طيب, what happens then? Sediments, these sediments, as you see, though, okay, or like this, شايفينهم? These sediments, okay, okay, these sediments collect in layers, in basins or flat surfaces. Over time, sediment becomes stuck together. They stuck together as if it were glued. كأنه لزق جبت شيء ولزقتهم ببعض. Common sedimentary آخر شيء بصيروا عندنا sedimentary rocks. Common sedimentary rocks اللي حكيت عنهم بالهوم ويرك في عندنا sandstone, limestone. These are examples of sedimentary rocks and conglomerate. طيب, which one of these يعني اللي شفتوا الهوم ويرك? This is the limestone. This is limestone. Look at the limestone. As you see, gray or white. Some of it is gray, some of it is white. Limestone is made from bones and shells of sea creatures. As you see here, there are shells. Okay. Conglomerate, this is in the middle, it is conglomerate. It is made from chunks of rock glued together, as you see, by other rock. And sandstone, or a sandstone forms from ribbons of different sand. This is everything about sedimentary rocks. Now, go to the next page. We are going to talk about the last type or the last class of rocks. It is called metamorphic. طيب, بالعربي صخور متحولة. metamorphic rocks يعني صخور متحولة. الآن قبل لا نكمل بدي أعطيكم مجال تحكوا إذا عندكم any comment عن السيديمنتري والإجنيوس روكس، بس بالله بدون فوضى إذا سمحت. تفضل. طيب خلينا نسمع لأحمد. ويت أحمد عبيدات. تفضل أحمد.
Cheating on us.
Yeah, teacher.
نعم.
I don't understand this. Ignorance. Can you repeat it?
طيب اوكي احمد don't worry.
Teacher.
لا خالد تفضل. Natalie, do you have any question?
Yes, I do have a big question.
طيب استنى شوي.
My question is,
ما بزبط هيك ما بزبط.
how do you mean like it's become?
تفضلي يا ناتالي again.
I don't really get it. Can you repeat?
طيب don't worry. يوسف.
Teacher, I studied the lesson yesterday.
صوتك راح، علي صوتك.
I studied the lesson yesterday.
Okay, is there any problem?
No.
Thank you. طيب. جواد.
تيتشر انا راح احضر التسجيل هذا اللي بعثته.
طيب اوكي ثانك يو. طيب ارام تفضلي.
Teacher, I know that the metamorphic rocks change by heat.
طيب لسه ما حكيناش عنهم يا ارام، هسه راح احكي. يلا دونت وري. طيب ملك, do you have anything to say? ملك تفضلي احكي.
Teacher.
ايوه.
Teacher, I didn't understand half of that.
طيب
Like
don't worry.
this homework, this homework, the one you tell us about, right? Which kind of the rocks?
طيب انا على فكره I sent for you the answer.
But it didn't come in my phone.
طيب اوكي لا you have to. طيب don't worry. الان راح احكي الان now I am going to talk about metamorphic rocks وراح ارجع اعيد عن الاجنيوس والسيديمنتري. just wait. الان metamorphic means it comes from the word metamorphism. When any rock these rocks, metamorphic rocks, forms how? Metamorphic rocks form when one rock or one type of rock changes to another type. يعني by the way metamorphic comes from metamorphism. Metamorphism means that to change. Example, let's take an example. You have to know that any sedimentary rock, okay, or any igneous rock can change to another type of rock. When this happens, it is called metamorphic rock. Sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, or some types of metamorphic rocks, okay, any type of these rocks can change to another type. In this case, it is called metamorphic rock. Let's take an example. Look, rock can be changed. يعني أي صخرة، أي نوع صخر بيقدر يتحول. ليش بتحول طيب؟ شو الفاكتورز؟ What are the factors that cause rock to change? It is heat and the pressure, or both. يعني any rock can change to another type of rock if it is subjected to a large amount of heat, pressure, or both of them. يعني if the rock is subjected to heat, pressure, or both of them, it can change to another type of rock. In this case, we call it metamorphic rock. Rock that, please highlight this, rock that forms this way is called metamorphic rock. طيب. When either sedimentary, igneous, or other metamorphic rock is put under great pressure and very high temperature, the rock changes form. This is exactly how metamorphic rocks form. When sedimentary, igneous, or other metamorphic rock is put under great pressure and very high temperature. يعني very high temperature means heat. إذا تعرضت لضغط عالي pressure وحرارة عالية بتصير اسمها صخور متحولة. It usually develops in new crystals. بتصير تتكون new rocks. Example, marble is a metamorphic rock. كيف بتكون؟ when limestone هذا اللي حكينا عنه السedimentary or chalk، هذا اللايمستون نرجع له طلعه عشان نفهم يا شباب. هذا اللايمستون هيو شايفينه، if it is put under pressure and temperature, it change and become marble. In this case, it becomes marble, a metamorphic rock. Marble, it is a metamorphic rock. It is made when limestone or chalk is heated and squeezed. Okay, يعني like this. This is limestone. Limestone. As you know, limestone is a sedimentary rock. Okay, when this limestone is subjected or is put under heat and pressure, okay, heat and pressure cause this limestone to change into what? Into marble. Okay, marble now is called a metamorphic rock. This is just an example of metamorphic rocks. So in this case, a sedimentary rock, limestone, is changed by heat into marble. طيب. Another example. The first example, marble is a metamorphic rock. It is made when limestone or chalk, which is a sedimentary rock, is heated and squeezed. يعني زي كأنه الحرارة والضغط عصروه خلوه يتحول، اللايمستون تحول لماربل. So marble is a metamorphic rock. طيب في عندنا we have another metamorphic rock called shale. It is originally comes from slate. يعني the slate, this rock is changed into metamorphic into shale. Okay? طيب. Also another example, granite. It is an igneous rock. Granite is an igneous rock. It can change, becomes the metamorphic rock gneiss. Okay, this is called, you read it, gneiss. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock. It is formed from the igneous rock granite. This is another example. Look, the igneous rock, granite, sorry. okay, because of a pressure and change in temperature, this granite is changed into a metamorphic rock called gneiss. You write it like this, and you read it as gneiss. Okay, so gneiss is a metamorphic rock. It is formed from this rock, the igneous rock granite. طيب ملك، إذا عندك سؤال، إذا ما خلينا نشوف خالد أول شيء. خالد تفضل.
Teacher, I don't understand this lesson. Can you repeat it
طيب
tomorrow?
مش tomorrow إن شاء الله. خلاص. ما مين شباب فاهم يرفع إيده. طيب good. So we have finally rocks. Look here please. I want to summarize this. طلعوا علي كويس هون، ركزوا معي بتفهموا إن شاء الله. Rocks, okay, can be divided according to how they are formed into three types. The first type is called igneous, okay. The first type of rocks is called igneous, then sedimentary, and the last type of rocks is called metamorphic. Type. This is the three types of rocks. معلش هون مش عارف اكتبها كويس عشان مش متحكم بالقلم. Metamorphic, sedimentary, igneous. I want you to know you must distinguish between them. They are different from each other according to how they form. Igneous rocks form when lava or magma cools. So the first type of rocks, or the igneous rocks, form when lava or magma cools. The second type of rocks, sedimentary, forms from what? The sediments, when sediments stuck together okay, when sediments stuck together, they form over a long period of time. These sediments stick together as they glued. بيلزقوا ببعض بيكونوا عندنا sedimentary rocks. With third type of rocks, metamorphic, they form when one type of rocks change to another type. يعني when, for example, sedimentary rocks can change, igneous rocks can change to metamorphic, like when granite under heat and pressure change to gneiss. When sedimentary rocks also change to metamorphic rock, for example, who can remind me with the example when the limestone or chalk heated, it is changed to marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock. Marble is a metamorphic rock. It is formed when limestone, the sedimentary rock, changed. When limestone is heated, it is changed to marble. Type. Again, the metamorphic rock can be changed by heat, pressure, or both. Heat and pressure, or both of them, can change any type of rock into another type. The rocks that form in this way are called metamorphic when either sedimentary, igneous, or other metamorphic rock is put under great pressure and very high temperature. They change and become metamorphic rocks. Example, marble. It is a metamorphic rock. How it is formed? When it is formed from the sedimentary rock, limestone or chalk. Limestone, when it is heated or squeezed, it is changed to marble. Another example, the granite. Granite is an igneous rock. It becomes the metamorphic rock gneiss. سويته من 3 دقائق. غير الوطن يعني. تقول ليش ما حضروا اليوم؟ طيب. لازم كلهم بعثوا لي. طيب مش مشكلة. طيب الآن خلص الحصة بدها تنتهي. خلينا نشوف إذا عندكم أي شيء. طيب.
teacher.
معلش بدون فوضى.
Teacher, I have to. Please, teacher, may I tell you something?
إيش عندك؟
I have 2 things to tell you. May I tell you it fast?
يلا بسرعة. نسمع.
أستاذ.
استنى شوي أحمد. أحمد استنى شوي. تفضلي ملك.
Teacher, first question is there a rock called redstone?
إيش اسمها؟
Redstone. Is there something called redstone?
ريتشستون. maybe بعرف بس فيش تايب يعني. هذا شوفي ملك.
Teacher.
ريتشستون إذا
Okay.
بيكون اسمها هذا اسم مش ساينتفك. بيكون اسم سموه الناس يعني هو مش ساينتفك بيكون. بس راح أبحث لك عنه.
Okay.
طيب شو السؤال الثاني؟
Teacher, second thing. Tomorrow are we coming in the school because tomorrow it will snow.
طيب you are welcome. بدك تشتري كتب صح؟
Will you come?
طيب thank you.
No.
أستاذ.
I have all the books, but will we go? Will we open Zoom classes or we will not?
طيب اوكي good.
يا أستاذ.
ايوه احمد.
إغنيوس هو حجر بلاستيك الأسود.
فيش إشي اسمه حجر بلاستيك. البلاستيك الأحجار كلهم solid و they are natural يعني they are made by nature. They are not like plastics. وفي igneous rocks there are many types of igneous rocks. هذا واحد منهم اللي شفته بالكتاب.
إغنيوس هو باللافا.
It's not. طلع أحمد.
teacher يوسف.
It's not. هو شكل زي البلاستيك. It's not plastic. It's not plastic.
teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, I want to tell you something. Teacher, what this rock?
أيوة.
This rock, what? This.
I think it's
This kind of rock.
أي واحد هذا اللي هو هاي sedimentary مكتوب.
Yes, I put in it the camera.
it's sedimentary rock.
How أستاذ شكله غريب.
لا مش غريب. طيب الآن خلص الميتينج ended. Goodbye.